All right, so for this one, we gotta do a couple of things. Remember, it's asking me which expressions are equivalent. So remember that when I have the log of m times n, that's equal to the log of m plus the log of n. Also, another property that we can use on this is that the log of m to the n is equal to, of m raised to the n is equal to the log of, I can toss that n to the front times the log of m. So those are the properties that we're going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do with this bad boy right here is I'm going to say, let's let that log base 4 become log base 4 of 1/4 plus the log base of x squared. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to do. And if you notice, that's already one of the answers. Okay, so we'll check that off the list. Now, the other thing that I can do is remember that this right here, remember there's a third property, I suppose. The log base b of x is equal to y. And that relationship is b to the y is equal to x. In other words, 4 raised to some power is equal to 1/4. Well, that would be -1, right? So this whole thing here reduces down to -1. Now, the other thing that I can do is I can take this 2 and using that second property, toss it to the front. So this now becomes plus 2 times the log base 4 of just x. So there's that one too. I guess I could fit it in.